Everyone thought this old violin was worthless until the master's touch changed everything. And this story might change how you see yourself. The rain poured over the busy city, but inside a quiet auction house, wealthy collectors waited for the final item of the night. Their curious eyes were waiting for something grand. And what was that? An old, battered violin. The wood was deeply scratched, the varnish was peeling away, and a single broken string hung lifelessly from the peg. The auctioneer held it up with a look of indifference. Starting bid is $50, he said. Do I hear 10? But the room stayed completely silent. Then an elderly man quietly walked to the stage. He gently wiped away the dust, tuned the strings, and lifted the violin beneath his chin. A breathtaking melody filled the room. It spoke of sorrow, hope, and peace. Every heart was moved. When the music ended, the crowd burst into applause. Moments later, the same violin that no one wanted for $10 was sold for $10,000. What changed? It was the touch of the master's hand. Many of us feel like that violin, scarred, broken, and valueless. While the world sees your scars, Jesus sees your true value. You are not beyond His love. Place your life in the hands of the Savior, and He can restore what seems broken. The Master still creates beautiful melodies from lives the world has given up on. God bless you all. Share this with someone you care for.